Today we are going to be looking at this propane heater. It of course has dual heads. It also has a dial for low, medium, and high heat settings from 22,000 BTU to 30,000 BTU. It also has a bracket that holds it above the tank. Let's demonstrate how to install that. Okay, as you can see, we have our bracket here with our knob. You just simply attach it right to the top of your propane tank here. This is the area with the hole here. Tighten it down to secure. Next, we will focus our attention to the top of the bracket. Bring our heater around and put it inside the corresponding holes with our wing nut. Then remove the protective cap. Then proceed to install. Remember, you will be going counterclockwise. Reverse thread for propane. Okay, we are all set. It should look just like this when you're finished. Locate your instruction booklet. Here is a look at the lighting instructions. Now set your regulator knob to high. Wait a couple of seconds. About 5. Okay. Once it is lit, there you are. Now go to the other side and do the same thing. Once it's lit, hold down for about 5 seconds. Release. And there you are. You can already feel the heat. Now there will be some smoke as it heats up the back heat shield there. Don't be alarmed. Now this does have a safety feature. If you rock it back and forth, it'll automatically shut off. Let me demonstrate that safety feature. Never attempt to move it while it's lit. Very safe. Now, if you desire, once you're lit, you can now regulate as shown here. There's medium. There is low, and there is off. All right, that's going to do it for today. I really appreciate everybody following along in this awesome product. Everything that you see here will be in the description. With that being said, remember, it's just nuts and bolts, and God bless. Bye-bye now.